everybody, welcome back to Deep Creek Ironworks. Today we finally start the modifications slash additions or whatever you want to call it to this new welding table. Alright, it's hot, but we got work to do, so let's get started. Alright folks, this welding cart is done. Ain't she pretty? Hooks for all the cables, welding helmet, plasma cutter, stick welder, MIG welder over here, platform for plasma cutting, folds out of the way nice and easy. It's on wheels so I can roll it around the shop if I need to. Extra toolbox over here on the side for storage. So I got to organize a few things before it's completely moved in and 100% ready to go. Stick around for next time. We're going to take this piece of 15 and 20. We're going to make it into a custom blade. And yeah, that's it for this one. I'm going into AC. It's hot. So all right, folks, until next time, is life living for, or Jesus dying for. Have a good one.